Students, today our topic is cube of binomial. Binomial means the algebraic expression which have two terms are called the binomial. And how we will do the cube of binomial terms? Because a single term when the monomial is given, you can do it easily. When a cube, you can write it like this. It is equal to a cube. But when you will do the cube of binomial term, a plus b whole cube, then it is equal to, this is your sixth identity, sixth algebraic identity. It is equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab in bracket a plus b. Or if there comes minus a minus b whole cube, this is your sixth identity, so it is equal to a cube minus b cube minus 3ab bracket में a minus b. Now we will solve these questions. We will solve some questions related to this identity today. पहले मैं आपको ये बताना चाहूंगी कि ये आइडेंटिटी एक्सपेंड करके ये कैसे आई. हाउ इट कम a क्यूब प्लस b क्यूब प्लस 3ab ब्रैकेट में a प्लस b. एंड यू कैन राइट लाइक दिस ऑल्सो, a क्यूब प्लस b क्यूब. आप इसको इस तरह से भी लिख सकते हो. व्हेन यू मल्टीप्लाई 3ab विद a, it is equal to 3a square b. एंड 3ab को b से मल्टीप्लाई करते हो, इट इज इक्वल टू 3ab स्क्वायर. ओके, एंड सिमिलरली you can write this identity like this. When you multiply 3ab with a, you will say 3a square b. A is multiplied by a, it is equal to a square, and minus multiply with minus, it is equal to 3ab square. You can write this identity like this way or this way, or if minus came, then you can write like this. Okay, wherever this it is used, you will use this identity. Your first question is, I am taking your first question, 2x plus 1 whole cube. In this question, you have given a is equal to 2x and b is equal to 1. How you will solve this question now? First you will do the, use this identity, a plus b whole cube. So 2x cube plus 1 cube plus 3ab. You can put 3a square b also or use this identity also. क्योंकि आपको expand करके आंसर तो इसी फॉर्म में लिखना पड़ेगा, तो आप इसको डायरेक्टली भी लिख सकते हो या इनडायरेक्टली. 3 into a is given 2x and b is given 1, and in bracket you put here 2x plus 1. Okay, so how you will expand this? When 2x cube, you will expand this. 2x cube means 2x into 2x into 2x. It is equal to 8x cube. When you expand 2x cube, it is equal to 2 into 2 into 2. It is equal to 8. And x multiply by x multiply by x. 3 times you have to multiply. So it become x cube. And 1 cube equal to 1. And 3 2 ja 6x. And bracket में 2x plus 1 in the bracket. Now how you will expand this product also? How you will take the product of 6x bracket में 2x plus 1, 8x cube plus 1. When you multiply 6x with 2x, 6 2 ja 12, and x is multiplied by x, it become x square. And when 6x is multiplied by 1, it is equal to 6x. Now, how you will write the answer of this question? As the degree wise, you will write down the answer. Your highest degree is cube, and then lowest degree, decreasing manner में आपको question लिखना है. उसके बाद 12x square, then you have to write 6x, then you have to write 1. This is the answer of this question. I am explain again. Your first identity is cube of binomial term. Today our topic is how we cube the binomial term when the two terms are given in the question. Then we will take first a cube plus b cube plus 3 into a into b in bracket 2x plus 1, a plus b. First a cube plus b cube plus 3ab bracket में a plus b. When you multiply 3 into 2x, it is equal to 6x, and in the bracket it is equal to 2x plus 1. When you multiply 6x with 2x, it is equal to 12x square, and 6x multiplied by 1, it is equal to 6x. Now in answer you have to write down like this way. In the decreasing manner you will write. First write down the highest degree, then फर्स्ट क्यूबिक डिग्री, देन द क्वाड्रेटिक डिग्री 2 आएगी, उसके बाद 1 एंड उसके बाद कांस्टेंट. दिस इज द आंसर ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन. One more question I am taking related to this identity. For example, I am taking x minus fourth question, x minus 2y upon 3, 2y upon 3 whole cube. Now here the minus is given, and in place of y it is given in the fraction. How you will solve this question? First, your a minus b whole cube, that is equal to a cube minus b cube minus 3ab, in bracket it is given a minus b. How you will write this question? You will write this question like this way. First a cube minus b cube minus 3 into a is given x and b is given 2y upon 3, and in the bracket you will write x minus 2y upon 3. A minus b you have given x minus 2y upon 3. First you have to write a cube minus b cube minus 3 into a is given x, b is given 2y upon 3, and a minus b, a is given x and b is given 2y upon 3. Now how you will expand this now? X cube minus, when you expand 2y upon 3 whole cube, then it is equal to 8y cube upon 27. 2 cube equal to 8 and y cube equal to y cube, and 3 cube equal to 27. And this is equal to 3 cancel with the 3, and it is equal to minus 2xy, in bracket you will write x minus 2y upon 3. Now how you will solve this question again? X cube minus 8 cube upon 27. When you multiply 2xy with x, it become 2x square y. When you multiply 2xy with x, it become 2x square y, and minus multiply by minus, it become plus, and 2xy multiply with 2y upon 3. When minus 2xy multiply by minus 2y upon 3, minus become minus minus plus, and 2 2s are 4, and x y को y से multiply किया y square upon 3. So it become 4xy square upon 3. Now how you will write the question, answer of this question? First you will take the cubic degree, then you will take the square x square y, then you will take the value of x variable 4xy square upon 3, and at the last you will take 8y cube upon 27. This is the answer of this question. Again I am repeating this question. When a minus b whole cube is given, it is equal to a cube minus b cube minus 3ab, bracket में a minus b. Then how you will solve further? 2y cube equal to 8y cube and 3 cube equal to 27. and cancel it is equal to 2xy, and minus is given here, and in the bracket it is given x minus 2y upon 3. When you multiply minus 2xy with x, it is equal to minus 2x square y, and minus minus it is equal to plus, 2 2s are 4, x remain the same, and when you multiply y with y, it equal to y square upon 3. Now your answer now become, first you will write the cubic degree, then power 2, then power 1, and at the last, when x variable is not given, it means it is constant. Note down these questions. When you have to evaluate the question in the numerical form, you have to find the cubic value, cubic whole cube of the numerical value. How you will find then this question? Question number 7, using this identity, how you will solve the numerical part? When you have given the number cube. 7th question, evaluate 99 whole cube. Don't write like this 99 multiply 99 multiply 99. No, it is not the right answer. You have to use this identity and evaluate the value of 99 whole cube. How you will solve this question? First you have to expand this. 99 is equal to 100 minus 1 whole cube. You can write like this. You have to make the suitable arrangement, then solve the question. Now the identity you will use here, a minus b whole cube. A minus b whole cube, that is equal to a cube. Your a is 100 here and b is equal to 1 here. How you will solve this question now? First a cube minus b cube minus 3 into a into b, and in the bracket a minus b. Now how you will solve this question? Same like the variable question, when the algebraic expression is given, 100 cube, now it is equal to 6 zeros, 2 4 6, and 1 cube equal to 1, and this is equal to minus 300, and in the bracket 100 minus 1. Now how you will multiply 300 multiply by 100, it is equal to 4 zeros, 30,000, and minus with minus, it is equal to plus. Now this is also plus, this is also plus. When you add in 10 lakh 300, it is equal to 10 lakh 300, and it is equal to 30,001. When you add 1 and 30,000, because the minus sign is given, so you will add these two numbers and the sign you put here minus. Now you subtract 10 lakh 300 में से आपको 30,001 जो है क्या करना है, सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है. Now it is equal to 992,079. It is equal to 970,299. This is the answer of this question, 970,299. Note down this question in your notebook. Note down this question. How you expand this? You have to make the first suitable arrangement when the number cube is given. First you will solve it by using this question you have given 8a cube plus b cube plus 12a square b plus 6ab square. In this question you have to use this identity because this question is given in this form and you have to factorize this question. Then how you will factorize this question? First you will write this question like this way. 8a cube, it is equal to 2a whole cube. You can write like this. And b cube, it is equal to b whole cube. And plus 3, write it yourself. 3, write it yourself. And a is given 2a square. And b is given b. When you multiply these 3 numbers, because I write 12a square b in this form, you can write this question like this way also. और पहले तो आपने 8a क्यूब को लिख दिया 2a क्यूब and b को लिख दिया b क्यूब. Now you will take the common factor of 12 and 6. It is equal to 6. 6 as a common factor and a square and a. A is common and in b square and b is common. Then how you will write this? 6 2 ja 12 and a is left and here it is left. 6 is common, a is common and b is left. Now how you again expand this? 2a cube plus b cube plus 6ab. You can write like this, 3 into 2a into b. You can write like this, 3ab. A is given 2a and b is given b. And in the bracket you will write here 2a plus b. Now this question I change into this form. You can change like this form also. I will again repeat this question and you can write like this way also to become it easier. So a cube plus b cube plus 3ab bracket में a plus b, it is equal to a plus b whole cube. Your a is given 2a and b is given b cube. Now you will write this question. When the binomial cubic is given, you can write like this, 2a plus b, 2a plus b. आपको अगर किसी भी चीज का होल क्यूब दे रखा है, it means you can write it 3 times. 2a plus b, 2a plus b, 2a plus b. आपने इस क्वेश्चन को इस तरह से भी सॉल्व कर सकते हो कि इसमें से कॉमन फैक्टर लेकर, या फिर आप डायरेक्ट जैसे मैं बना रही थी 12a square b को 3. Yes students, when this question is given in this form, 8a cube plus b cube plus 12a square b plus 6ab square, you have to first convert this question in this form. Like this form also you can change it, like this form you can also change this, whichever is easier for you. Now I change this question. I change 8a cube into the 2a cube and b cube equal to b cube. Now I have taken 12 and 6 as the common factor, and a is also the common factor and b is also the common factor. There in the bracket remains 2a plus b. Now this question is related to this.
Rajni ma'am, please hold. Rajni ma'am, can you listen?
Yes students, a plus b whole cube. When the binomial cube is given, you can write it 3 times, 2a plus b, 2a plus b, 2a plus b. I will again taking this question and explain in this way now. When you will solve this question, to write like this pattern. Now 8a cube plus b cube 8a cube you will change into 2a cube, and b cube you can write b cube whole cube, and plus 3 into a square. A is given 2a square and b is given b. When you expand this term, 2a square equal to 4a square, and 4a square is multiplied by 3, it is equal to 12a square, and 12a square is multiplied by b, it is equal to 12a square b. Now you can write this question like this way also, 3a square b. आप इस क्वेश्चन को इस तरह से भी एक्सपेंड करके लिख सकते हैं, and 3 plus 3 into a is given 2a and b is given b square. When you multiply by these three numbers, 3 2 ja 6a and b square is equal to b square. First you will expand this question like this way also. Now a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. Your identity is when you will write a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. It is also equal to a plus b whole cube. Your a is given 2a and b is given b. So you will expand this equation like this way also. आप इस क्वेश्चन को इस तरह से भी सॉल्व कर सकते हो. First you have to change this in the form of 3a square b and plus 3ab square. उसके बाद आप इसको क्या करेंगे, ये आइडेंटिटी लिखने के बाद it is equal to a plus b whole cube, and again you will write this answer like this way also, 2a plus b, 2a plus b, 2a plus b. I am taking one more question related to this identity. One minus question I am taking, 64a cube minus 27b cube minus 144a square b plus 108ab square. How you will solve this question? 64a cube, it is equal to 8a cube, and 27b cube, it is equal to minus 3b cube. And how you will write 144a square b? 3 into a is given 8a square, and sorry 8a cube nahi 4a cube. When you multiply 4a into 4a into 4a, it is equal to 64a cube, and 27b cube, it is equal to 3 into 3 into 3, it is equal to 27. And you will write here your a is given 4a whole square, okay, and b is given 3b. When you multiply three numbers, how you will multiply with expand these number, 4a square equal to 16a square and into 3b. 3 3s are 9, 16 9s are 144. It is equal to 144a square b. Now you expand minus 144a square b into this form. आपने 144a square b को किस फॉर्म में लिख दिया आपने, माइनस 3 4a का होल स्क्वायर इंटू 3b, आपने इस फॉर्म में लिख दिया, एंड प्लस 3 इंटू a is given 4a and b is given 3b and 3b whole square. Now this identity, I have written this question in this form, a cube
Rajni ma'am, can you listen me?
इस आइडेंटिकल फॉर्म में लिखना है. Then you will have to factorize. Your a is given